Sometimes my lip gets stuck in my teeth.
Oh, you're a good girl, huh? But what is this?
When you just wonder if scissors taste good, and your parents won't let you go.
Bailey. What is this?
It started as a group water break, but this pup turned it into a full-blown underwater expedition. How did that big dog squeeze into that tiny space? He must have a degree in magic. He may be tiny, but mess with my human, and you'll meet the fury of these little paws.
Let's say she got her plate. She's ready. She's Thanksgiving ready. Where my food at? Where my food at? She shaking for the food.
Not only is he a Chihuahua, he's a certified genius. Seriously, how do I get a pup like that?